Theta value equivalent to 14.1446 rands a coin. The present cost range, 13.8852. 14.5438. The earlier day close, 14.3422. The change was 0.1976. 1.38%. Backwards rate. ZAR to Theta. Theta cost expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month. Theta cost expectation on Monday, July 3. Cost 15.04 rands. High 16.09. Low 13.99. Theta conjecture on Tuesday, July 4. Cost 15.81 rands. High 16.92. Low 14.70. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, July 5. Cost 15.95 rands. High 17.07. Low 14.83. Theta gauge on Thursday, July 6. Cost 14.81 rands. High 15.85. Low 13.77. Theta cost forecast on Friday, July 7. Cost 15.01 rands. High 16.06. Low 13.96. In multi-week Theta gauge on Monday, July 10. Cost 14.51 rands. High 15.53. Low 13.49. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, July 11. Cost 15.17 rands. High 16.23. Low 14.11. Theta gauge on Wednesday, July 12. Cost 14.83 rands. High 15.87. Low 13.79. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, July 13. Cost 15.94 rands. High 17.06. Low 14.82. Theta gauge on Friday, July 14. Cost 15.90 rands. High 17.01. Low 14.79. In about 14 days Theta cost forecast on Monday, July 17. Cost 17.00 rands. High 18.19. Low 15.81. Theta gauge on Tuesday, July 18. Cost 17.38 rands. High 18.60. Low 16.16. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, July 19. Cost 17.16 rands. High 18.36. Low 15.96. Theta figure on Thursday, July 20. Cost 16.99 rands. High 18.18. Low 15.80. Theta cost expectation on Friday, July 21. Cost 16.85 rands. High 18.03. Low 15.67. In 3 weeks Theta figure on Monday, July 24. Cost 16.92 rands. High 18.10. Low 15.74. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, July 25. Cost 17.36 rands. High 18.58. Low 16.14. Theta figure on Wednesday, July 26. Cost 16.79 rands. High 17.97. Low 15.61. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, July 27. Cost 16.41 rands. High 17.56. Low 15.26. Theta figure on Friday, July 28. Cost 16.35 rands. High 17.49. Low 15.21. In about a month Theta cost expectation on Monday, July 31. Cost 16.00 rands. High 17.12. Low 14.88. Theta figure on Tuesday, August 1. Cost 14.03 rands. High 15.01. Low 13.05. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 Theta cost forecast for November 2023. To start with cost at 13.65 rands, exorbitant cost 14.24. While low cost 12.38. The found the middle value of cost 13.40. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 13.31. Change for November 2.5%. Theta gauge for December 2023. To start with cost at 13.31 rands, exorbitant cost 13.31. While low cost 11.11. The found the middle value of cost 12.42. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 11.95. Change for December 10.2%. Theta cost expectation for January 2024. To start with cost at 11.95 rands, exorbitant cost 14.74. While low cost 11.95. The found the middle value of cost 13.11. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 13.78. change for January 15.3%. Theta gauge for February 2024. To start with, cost at 13.78 rands, exorbitant cost 17.10. While low cost 13.78, the middle value of cost 15.16, Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 15.98, change for February 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for WOC 2024. In the first place, cost at 15.98 rands, exorbitant cost 17.38. While low cost 15.10, the middle value of cost 16.18, Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 16.24. Change for spring 1.6%. Theta gauge for April 2024. In the first place, cost at 16.24 rands, exorbitant cost 17.66, while low cost 15.35. The middle value of cost 16.44. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 16.50. Change for April 1.6%. Theta cost expectation for May 2024. Before all else, cost at 16.50 rands, excessive cost 19.35, while low cost 16.50. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 17.61. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 18.08. Change for May 9.6%. Theta figure for June 2024. Initially cost at 18.08 rands, excessive cost 19.05. While low cost 16.55, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 17.87, Theta cost figure toward the month's end 17.80, change for June 1.5%. Theta cost expectation for July 2024. Initially cost at 17.80 rands, excessive cost 17.80. While low cost 14.77, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 16.56, Theta cost figure toward the month's end 15.88, change for July 10.8%. Theta figure for August 2024. Initially cost at 15.88 rands, excessive cost 19.38. While low cost 15.88, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 17.31, Theta cost figure toward the month's end 18.11, change for August 14.0%. Theta cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at 18.11 rands, excessive cost 18.11, while low cost 15.68. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 17.19. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 16.86, change for September 6.9%. Theta estimate for October 2024. First and foremost, cost at 16.86 rands, exorbitant cost 18.33, while low cost 15.93. The middle value of cost 17.06. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 17.13, change for October 1.6%. Theta cost expectation for November 2024. First and foremost, cost at 17.13 rands, exorbitant cost 18.62. While low cost 16.18, the middle